The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is here, and let me tell you, Samsung has taken things to a whole new level. From game-changing GPU power to advanced AI features, it seems like the S25 Ultra might just redefine what we expect from a smartphone. But there's a catch or two, and you'll want to stick around for all the details, good and bad. So here's what's heating up the rumor mill. Samsung is reportedly cutting production costs on the Galaxy S25 Ultra by using M13 organic materials in its OLED displays. While that might sound like a minor change, it's actually a big deal. The M13 material is a step back from the M14 tech that rivals like Apple's iPhone 16 Pro and Google's Pixel 9 Pro are using. M14 offers up to 30% better efficiency and a longer lifespan, meaning it lasts longer on a charge and delivers higher brightness. But Samsung's decision to stick with M13 could mean a price drop or at least no increase. Is that trade-off worth it? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Despite this, Samsung has some serious upgrades up its sleeve. The star of the show is the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, making this the fastest Galaxy Ultra ever. We're talking about a mind-blowing 44% faster CPU, a 40% faster GPU, and a 45% boost in power efficiency compared to last year's model. And if you're a mobile gamer, here's the exciting part. Qualcomm's new custom Oryon cores are delivering console-quality graphics on a smartphone. Imagine playing Assassin's Creed on your phone and not just getting by, but actually getting incredible frame rates. It's like carrying a mini-gaming console in your pocket. And it's not just the gaming where we see massive gains. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's AI functionality is next level. Thanks to Snapdragon's 8 Elite AI's second-generation capabilities, this phone is ready to become your ultimate smart assistant. Picture this. You take a photo of your grocery receipt and instantly, the AI suggests recipes based on the ingredients you bought or gives you health data for what you've purchased. This isn't just a gimmick. The AI is deeply integrated, even allowing video and image editing right on your device. Yes, you heard that right. Video editing is now possible with the same ease as erasing unwanted photo elements. Who would have thought? Now Samsung fans have something more to celebrate. There's an improved AI image signal processor, ASP, that handles up to 320 megapixel images. This means the S25 Ultra's 200MP sensor can take some of the clearest, sharpest photos on a smartphone yet, while video performance is set to hit new heights. Early reports suggest that video stabilization, low-light shots, and even real-time editing are vastly improved over the S24 Ultra. Want crisp, stable shots during those nighttime adventures? The Galaxy S25 Ultra is equipped to deliver. And let's talk durability. Samsung's bringing back the Gorilla Glass armor, which means more resilience against scratches and a clever anti-reflective feature. This helps when viewing your screen outdoors because you'll have less glare, which means you can keep the brightness lower to save battery without sacrificing clarity. Of course, Samsung's software game is stepping up with One UI 7.0. Samsung's engineers are hard at work optimizing One UI for a smoother experience than ever. Word on the street is that the Galaxy S25 Ultra's UI will feel as seamless as a premium desktop. Imagine no lag, no hiccups, just pure, buttery smooth interactions with your apps and games. The colors? Samsung is spicing things up with 4 standard options: black, green, blue, and titanium gray, and there's even talk of exclusive colors for online buyers. This lineup is just begging to be shown off, whether you're going for a sleek professional look or something more bold and eye-catching. Now, for all the die-hard fans watching, there are some leaks worth mentioning. We've seen screen protector designs with rounder edges, hinting that Samsung might be softening the device's look. This small design tweak might give the S25 Ultra a more ergonomic feel, easier to grip, and even sleeker in appearance. So far, these leaks seem pretty credible, and it will be interesting to see if Samsung confirms them. All in all, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra looks like it's going to be a beast of a phone. But with a few trade-offs and all the new tech packed inside, it's bound to stir up some debate. Is this the year Samsung finally pulls ahead of its rivals in every category? Stay tuned as we break down all the details leading up to the launch. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're just as excited as we are for what's coming next. See you in the next one. Peace out.